Hello and welcome. The World Health Organization defined health as a state of complete physical, social, and mental well-being, and not merely the absence of disease. It was in Simmet added dimensions of emotional, social, spiritual, and societal health and well-being. Well-being strives for happiness and prosperity. Today I will be focusing on the personal, social, and community strand in the Australian curriculum, with the main focus area being nutrition. White and Wine claim young Australians are becoming more unhealthy. Wang and Lobstein found that obesity and overweight rates in children are rising. The Australian Institute of Health and Welfare have found that 1/4 of Australian children are overweight or obese. The purpose of this unit is to educate children with the skills and knowledge of how to balance their diet and how good nutrition can aid their bodies. A whole class discussion approach has been implemented as Black states it claims to increase quality of learning and teaching by engaging and motivating children in active participation. Small group work has also been utilised, as Blatchford and Bain have found it helps improve social and cognitive development. An interactive whiteboard, videos, photos, and interactive game are all included in this unit of work. Livingstone states, ICT can improve quality of teaching and learning and management. It aims to make learning and teaching more exciting, rewarding, and successful for achieving full potential. Checklists are useful to find specific skills, Wang Jan. They are a fast assessment and can easily be shared with stakeholders. Wang Jan also claims that they are not always comprehensive. Mertler mentions they only provide 2 options, usually yes or no, and Silly Flint and colleagues found they don't always show the full potential of the child. Coombe states questioning allows teachers to understand what and how children are thinking. Black and colleagues state a strength is when the questions are open-ended, it allows children to critically evaluate. Black and colleagues claims this can be time-consuming. Observations are used throughout this unit so the teacher can observe how children participate in activities and the way they think and the way they are approaching activities. Maxwell states this allows teachers to gather a broad range of information about students, but can be inconsistent, subjective, and sometimes contain bias. For safety and challenging environments, letters have been sent home to parents to let them know about the subject and the discussions being given, and they are also given a pamphlet with all the educational information to read. Food of all the cultures are also included in these activities so that the unit is diverse and that all cultures are included, and a safe and positive environment will be implemented so all students feel comfortable and inclusive in the discussions. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.